Fords continue to define what full-size trucks mean in America. In 2012, our F-Series market share grew again and was highest in more than a decade. And we have no intention of letting up on that legacy of leadership. In fact, we brought a little surprise today. So here's a look at the future of pickups.
Ford's President of the Americas, Joe Hinrichs. Well, here it is, the Ford Atlas concept, a preview of the innovations that will transform what people expect from pickup trucks in the future. The Ford Atlas concept looks ready for anything. Like the Super Chief and Tonka concepts before it, this truck pushes the limits of what a full-size pickup can be. It takes aerodynamics and fuel efficiency to all new levels, with industry-first active wheel shutters on a pickup, plus a smart chin spoiler that raises and lowers automatically to improve underbody airflow. Under the hood, we are more efficient too, with a next-generation EcoBoost, building on the strengths of today's engine, which sold at higher volumes in F-150 alone last year than some competitors' entire truck lines. The Ford Atlas concept also features new technologies to help customers work smarter, including faster trailer hookups and taking the guesswork out of backing up a trailer. We even improved the tailgate step that Ford made famous, with a flexible new design that is perfect for hauling longer items. This is only a glimpse of the future. As America's truck leader, we remain absolutely committed to setting the agenda in the truck market and continuing to raise the bar on capability, fuel economy, and profitable growth in the full-size pickup segment. Thank you for joining us today. Please come down for a closer look at One Ford in action. And please join us to continue the conversation about trucks later today at the Ford Truck Media Lounge across the street from Cobo Hall. Thank you.